Today we are making delicious butter chicken recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless chicken breast cut into small pieces. Half a cup yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons tomato puree. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half a teaspoon garam masala. Half a teaspoon salt. A quarter teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: in a large bowl mix yogurt, lemon juice, tomato puree, ginger paste, garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt and black pepper. Add chicken pieces and coat evenly. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes to 2 hours or overnight. Grill, bake or pan fry chicken until cooked through. Butter chicken sauce: 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons tomato puree. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half a teaspoon garam masala. Half a teaspoon salt. A quarter teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons heavy cream optional. Cook sauce ingredients until butter melts, then add cooked chicken. Serve with basmati rice, naan or roti. Raita yogurt with cucumber, cumin and coriander. Variations: add potatoes or bell peppers for added flavor. Use bone-in chicken for richer flavor. Adjust spice levels to taste. The calorie count of butter chicken can vary depending on the recipe, portion size, and specific ingredients used. Here is an approximate calorie breakdown for a serving of butter chicken. Healthier version with less butter and ghee. Per serving 300 g. Calories 350 to 450. Protein 35 to 40 g. Fat 15 to 20 g. Carbohydrates 20 to 25 g. Sodium 300 to 400 milligrams. Cholesterol 40 to 60 milligrams. To reduce calories, consider using less butter and ghee. Choosing leaner protein sources like chicken breast. Increasing vegetable content, bell peppers, onions. Serving with brown rice or whole wheat naan. Limiting portion size.